Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows 11 taskbar not working. First method is press Ctrl, Alt, and Delete keys, click Task Manager. Select Windows Explorer, click Restart. Second method is press Ctrl, Alt, and Delete keys, click Task Manager. Click File, click New Task. Type CMD, check create this task with administrative privileges. Type net space, user space, new username space, /add. Type net space, local group space, administrators space, new username space, /add. Type exit. Click File, click Run New Task. Type Log Off, check create this task with administrative privileges. Log in with newly created user. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.